Alright, we're going to go ahead and make some quizzes that we can put in Google Classroom so our students could actually take quizzes or do assignments. And we'll set them up so they can grade themselves. Okay, so to do that, let's go ahead and let's go to this tab up here in Google. And what we're going to do is we want to go ahead and do the Google Forms, and it should be this purple one right here. So just click on that. And we could do a blank quiz if you want. Just click that on. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, and then the next thing we do is we want to look at our settings up here to the right, the little setting tab, and make sure that it's set on quizzes. See, it starts off on general, so you want to move it over here to quizzes, and then you want to set your settings here. There's other settings that says immediately after submission, and I like my students to get their grade right away. As soon as they take it, they know what they got. I'm going to take off the correct answers though. I'll just have the missed answers here, and I'll go ahead and save. So my settings are actually saved. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and title this, and so we'll say Marcus Garvey quiz, and to the description I'll just say, what do you know? Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I'll go ahead and they give you an option here where it's multiple choice, and if you hit this little arrow over here to the right, they give you other options where you can do multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, which we'll go into a little bit later, but we can also do short answer and also paragraph. On this test, short answer and paragraph are very similar, so I don't know if I'm going to do both. I'll probably just do a short answer and then some multiple choices here, just to give you guys some idea of what we're dealing with. The checkboxes, the difference between the checkboxes, you can actually choose more than just one option. In multiple choice, you can only choose one. Okay, so the first question here, let's say Marcus Garvey founded an organization named, and we'll make it, since it's a short answer, it actually gave me the option to make it a short answer, so I'll go ahead and go with that. Now for me to put a short answer in, you have to click the answer key tab here, and then you can go ahead and type in what you want the correct answer to be in. So I'm going to put UNIA, and then I'm going to, over here to the right, I'm going to give it, say, 2 points. Okay, and then I'll put done, and then I'll just go ahead to the next one. Okay, and so to get to the next question, you see this plus sign right here, it says add question. Just click on that, and we're going to add a new question. Okay, and so this question will be what was Marcus Garvey's middle name? And I'll make this multiple choice. My option 1, I'll say it is, see, Jeremiah. Okay, and to add another, you just have to add a little button here, add another. Okay, add another option here, and so the next one would be, we'll say Mosiah. Okay, and now or, okay, to add another, we're going to add another one. Option 3 is going to be Elijah. right, so that's good enough. So the other here, I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. So now we just have three options here. Now for me to click the right answer, I push my answer key here, and then I'm gonna put in the right answer. So we know that's gonna be Messiah, so we'll do that, and we're done. And I'm gonna add one more, and then we'll go ahead and save the quiz. So to add another, we go to the addition button here. Okay, so I'll go up to this next one. I don't think I put an amount here. See, I have 0 there. So I just click on the answer key, then it gives me an option to change the points. Okay, then I just do done. Done saves it. And let's see, I have 2 points for that one, 2 points for all of these. Okay, so it looks like our test is ready. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and let me save it. I always want to save a copy of it. So I go here, it says make a copy. So I make a copy. Copy to my drive. Alright, so once you get back to your classroom, I'm right here back in my African history class. Just go ahead and click on share something with your class. You need to share something in order to add something that you can send to your students. So I'm just going to put on here Marcus Garvey quiz, and I'll put what do you know? Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and add here, and when you click this little add button here, it's going to give you an option of grabbing it from a Google Drive or maybe from a file from your computer, a link or YouTube. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead to Google Drive because that's where I saved it. So click on Google Drive. And then as you see here, the Marcus Garvey quiz that I saved, we just double click on that. And it has added it to African history on the stream here. And I just do post. Once I do post, it is there. So now my students just have to go to Google Classroom, and for me, they would just have to go to my African history class and just click on this, and I'll click on this just to show you that. And now it's ready to go. What do you know? Marcus Garvey founded an organization name, and I will go ahead and put my answer in, right? And then I'll go ahead and the next one here, and the next one, and then once you finish, you go down to the bottom, you submit, and it automatically grades it. Okay, so that's all you got to do. So we're good to go. All right. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe and like. Brother Thabiti signing out.